Hi friends, welcome to Oliver's Tamil channel. This channel is dedicated to aspirants of PhD program and also engineering graduates. So we are doing it as a series of 6 lectures. In last lectures we have decided about how to write a problem statement. This is series 3, how to do the literature survey or literature review. It is part of the how to pursue research series. Step 1, fix the scope and extent. What will be the depth of your problem? What will be the extent to which you are going to collect the data? Have a clarity over ambiguities, all kind of doubts. Clarify all your fundamental doubts and doubts related to tools, softwares, algorithms, theories, etc. Have a necessary confidence and find out the curious methodology or a perfect methodology and tools to be used, and always have a comparison with the past work. Step 2, establish and expand your friends network. Based on your friends network, you can have many benefits that I will tell you in coming lectures. Locate the potential natural locations or resource locations where you can collect data or get data. And collect all possible literature related to your problems, related to your domain, related to the year wise or time series or location based, theme based literature. Index all collected literatures. Step 3, index your literature chronologically, author wise, theme wise, tools wise. Prepare a comparison table of authors' works related to your research problem. Your chronology should have evolution, starting point, or from the scratch to the current technology, or it should cover all techniques and tools. Never skip any one component. And always have a list of key papers or key literature. Step 4, have a key literature and follow it up throughout your research. Fix your study area, hold on your idea or technique tools. With reference to your scope, try to find the findings and also write a summary of literature for each segment. Step 5, while doing the summary, try to take care of the objectives, study area, whether it's a national level work or a overseas work, and what kind of problem statement was taken, what is the research outcome, and beware of plagiarism. I will do a separate video on plagiarism. Step 6, things to avoid during summary preparation of your literature review. Avoid all forms of plagiarism. Don't just copy paste the abstract and conclusions, and try to digest by studying again and again the literatures. Do the paraphrasing, use the same words of other authors. To summarize, index all the collected literature relevant to your research problem, arrange it chronologically, author wise, tools used, methodology used, and compare with the past records. Have a tabulation of author wise work, then locate the potential resources for collecting your articles or research papers. Identify the key papers and key literature and beware of plagiarism. Thank you, friends. We'll see you in your coming video.